Hello aspirants, welcome to Bygrayps IAS. Today's topics are AEGLE MARMELOS, Botany, PORITES, LUTEA, Environment and Ecology, Microbes, Biology, National Company Law Tribunal, National Bodies, DNA Test, Polity, because it in condition of polity, National Ambient Noise Monitoring Network, National Bodies, Vibe Hacking Technology, Biomanufacturing Hubs Policy, Statement, Foreigners Tribunals, Polity, Gastrochillus PHA, Environment and Ecology, Killer Whale, Environment and Ecology, New tuber species from Western Ghats, Botany. AEGLE MARMELOS is commonly known as bhel, right? This species of tree native to Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and it is a deciduous shrub. Very important point. It is a deciduous shrub present in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal as a naturalized species. PORITES lutea is a species of stony coral, right, found in very shallow water on reefs in the Indo-Pacific region. Sometimes they form micro-atolls, right, and the intertidal zone, and these massive structures can be used to study what, that is, sea levels and sea water temperature. It is native to the tropical Indo-Pacific region, extends from Madagascar and the east coast of Africa to Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, and northern and eastern Australia. Here, microbes. Recently, research done by IISER Kolkata raised some troubling possibility regarding microbes. They say that if microbes are capable of breaking down plastics, are also reservoirs of antibiotic resistant genes. How? They say that plastic particles can serve as a hotbeds where the genes can accumulate, can spread between microbes. National Company Law Tribunal is a quasi-judicial body in India that adjudicates issues related to Indian companies. And it is established on 1st June 2016 by the Government of India based on recommendation of V. Balakrishna Iredi Committee. Remember the name of the committee? Relating to insolvency and winding up of companies. Here it is regarding the judgment on DNA test, that courts cannot order DNA test as a matter of course to establish paternity, right? Because it involves the question of right to privacy and dignity according to Karnataka High Court, right? They argue that compelling such tests without imminent need will imperil not only the sanctity of marriage but legitimacy of a child, and also becomes violative of fundamental rights to privacy and dignity as per Article 21 of the Constitution. National Ambient Noise Monitoring Network is an Indian network established by the Central Pollution Control Board in 2011 is to monitor noise pollution level in major urban areas. Vibe hacking, it's a new cyber security threat, and it refers to adversarial techniques that exploit generative models, tone, subtext, and emotional cues rather than any surface level logics. So it can impact unaligned tone, can erode user confidence, can introduce legal or ethical risk, can create viral PR disasters. Biomanufacturing hubs, right? Government launched a network of advanced biomanufacturing hubs to scale up the country's bioeconomy, right? The high performance biomanufacturing platforms is an initiative of Department of Biotechnology and the Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council. Very important, remember these lines. Remember the statements. Uttarakhand is the one who reserves 10% of jobs for retired Agniveers in uniformed post in Uttarakhand. Here's something unique. Foreigners Tribunal. Here the Union Ministry of Home Affairs has given Foreigners Tribunals a unique to Assam that the power of first class judicial magistrate. The fresh immigration foreigners order to notified and paves the way to send persons to a detention or a holding center if they fail to produce any proof that they are not a foreigner. So this was earlier enforced through executive orders. It is very interesting topic. Gastrocilus pechi, a new orchid recorded in Arunachal Pradesh, which is used to be bloom only in Myanmar. So it is also recorded in Arunachal Pradesh. So it is the species link to Arunachal Pradesh to Myanmar. Killer whale class, remember Mammalia, right? Is a toothed whale or a largest member of the oceanic dolphin family or only extant species. The thing is that new study find that killer whales may exploring human behavior by what? Offering them whole prey and waiting for them to respond. Is it possible that killer whales are studying human behavior? So this is what the new study says. New tuber species from Western Ghats. This is from Kerala, identified, and it's an edible tuber found in Western Ghats region, right? It holds the potential as a tuber variety for food security, cultivation as a food crop with low glycemic index. This is what the researchers reports, and it is native throughout the tropical and warm temperate regions of the world.